Here is the finished look. Didn't quite come out with what I had in mind, but you know what? I don't know. I think this one kind of ruined it for me. In theory, it was gonna be great, but I think I put too much on and I didn't take it off, and I should have. And then this guy got a little smudged, but anyway, like I think this one came out really nice. This one did if I had done the white there, but I think once I got to my thumb, I was kind of already over it. So I really wanted a black and white with a pop of color. It just didn't work out, but I figured I would share it anyway because I did some reverse stamping and that is always fun to watch. So I'll make sure to link everything below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.